Aminkane hesadelan jiska koye bari ununa merap nenela ina bashal noa everybody is koya esawadela.
Hello, my name is Muslima.
And my name is Mumina.
Welcome to 012 and Your Boys interview once again.
Our guest today is Al Ali.
So please enjoy the show. Thank you. Please welcome Okay, we have seen your movie, Your Fighting Maholic. What character do you play in it?
I play an orphan kid, trying to survive.
Very interesting.
Yes.
What's the theme of the movie?
The theme of the movie is about a rich kid and a poor kid. The rich kid is living with his brother, and the poor kid is just, living in the streets, eating whatever he sees. And at the end, the rich kid finds, the poor kid finds the rich kid's brother, and then he adopts him, and then it ends like that.
Is there a sequel to that?
Huh?
Is there a sequel to that will continue the movie? Like what's gonna happen to them, the characters?
Yes.
In the next movie or something, some other movie?
In the next movie.
Do you guys enjoy making the movie?
Yes, it was very fun. I really enjoyed it.
What about the crew members? Do you guys get along?
Yeah, everybody gets along. Everybody knows each other, so,
Can you tell us?
Okay, how did you meet the director of the movie?
I met him, I think, somewhere in 2008. We started as a music crew, and we were making music, and then we got to know each other better, and then we just ended up making movies.
What kind of songs did you guys make?
We make, we rap in our language, and we make music like, about relationships, about struggle, about our past, and how, like what happened to us. We just rap about what each other better, and then we just ended up making movies.
What kind of songs did you guys make?
We make, we rap in our language, and we make music like, about relationships, about struggle, about our past, and how, like what happened to us. We just rap about what we see, what we feel, and sometimes when we just make music for fun, and yeah.
How many CDs have you guys sold already? Music CDs.
Album?
Yeah.
Yeah, we sold one album. Yeah.
You said our language. What language did you guys sing?
Oh, my, that's our language. We usually sing in my, and sometimes a little English. We have to.
Do you guys understand what you guys be writing down on a piece of paper?
Yeah.
Where is my mind originated from? Like in the spoken in country?
My is usually the Jrer, the people called Jrer, they speak my mind, and it's originally from, it's mixed, it's like mixed with Somalian language, but it's more different. It has different accents and some words that are different from Somali language. It's just Somali mixed with another language called Jarir.
So is it from Somali?
Yeah.
Yes, it's from Somali.
How are you guys different from the Somali people?
It's easy. You can tell the difference because the Somalians, they have what they call, their hair is, what is the word? Thing malas, and we have thing ambulo. So and we eat sor, they eat anjera. They're skinnier than us and more weaker, and we're stronger. So that's the difference. And they like to act they are better than us, but they're not. So.
How many members are in your group?
What you talking about? The movie or?
Like the movie.
It's a lot of people in the movie. I'm just gonna tell you the main characters is, I think like 7, 5, 6, something like that. The main characters in the movie.
So how do you feel about working with the director of the movie?
He's alright. I like working with him, and I want to continue working with him. So.
Like, does he treat you better than the others? Is like, are you his favorite or something?
I mean, we are all his favorite. We all treat each other equal because we know each other, and you know we know, like, it's not like nobody treats the other one better than the other. We all equal, so we try to treat each other equal.
Okay.
So, can you tell us your part in the next movie that's coming out?
I will be playing a son to a poor mother, and you know I will be playing the son of a poor mother, and a big brother to a little sister who's trying to survive. You know, meaning like his mother doesn't have a job and he's struggling, and then you know, and he goes into this drug dealing game, and then you know his friends dies. You know, it's a sad story, but you know.
Can you give us any names of who's gonna be in the movie coming up? Anybody like?
Yeah, me, myself, and Muday, a lot of people, including old people too.
We have met.
And Abdul, he's gonna play the bad guy in the movie. You know, the big drug dealer.
So that's somebody new.
Yeah, he's very new.
Are you guys like really excited to make this movie?
Yeah, I'm very excited to make this movie. I can't wait.
When are you guys making the movie?
Maybe this spring and this summer, somewhere in between, when we have.
When are you guys making the movie?
Maybe this spring and this summer, somewhere in between, when we have no school and everybody's free, we'll be starting.
Well, there you have it.
Oh hey, what's up, man? I didn't see you there. Hey man, check out that movie. I'm telling you, don't forget to get that movie, okay? You're not doing nothing this weekend. You have no job. I mean, you going nowhere. You just chilling, right? It's the weekend, so just go to the store and get the movie. It's called Rafat Raha. It's the best movie.
Baru